ContentBot.ai text honest review watch before using if you've ever struggled to create consistent content for your blog, social media, or email campaigns. ContentBot.ai might sound like a dream tool, but most people get this wrong. They assume AI content generators are all the same. The surprising truth is that ContentBot.ai is designed to not just produce text, but to optimize it for clarity, engagement, and conversion. You won't believe how quickly it can help scale your content workload. ContentBot.ai works by using AI models to generate articles, marketing copy, social posts, product descriptions, and more. Users can input a topic, keyword, or prompt, and within seconds, the platform delivers structured, coherent text. For example, a small business owner needing weekly blog posts can generate drafts that are surprisingly polished, reducing hours of writing work into minutes. Another key feature is its versatility. ContentBot.ai offers multiple writing modes like long-form blogs, AI emails, and ad copy. Most people assume AI writing tools can't handle nuanced tasks, but ContentBot.ai allows you to adjust tone, style, and creativity. You can even use it for brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, or rewriting existing content for better engagement. However, there are considerations. While the AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Users need to proofread, fact-check, and optimize SEO where necessary. Some generated content can feel generic if prompts are vague. Most people get the impression that AI can fully replace human writers, but in reality, it's best used as an assistant to speed up and enhance content creation. In conclusion, ContentBot.ai is a solid tool for marketers, entrepreneurs, and writers who want to scale their content production efficiently. It saves time, provides inspiration, and produces surprisingly coherent results. But human oversight remains essential. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of AI and productivity tools.